who took their time to be here out of their busy schedule to come to our presentation. It's an honor. We respect your time. I will be brief. My name is Samkelo again. I'm from FleetSync. FleetSync, we are one of the service providers that have been awarded RT46 Category D that focuses on mainly on three things: your vehicle condition assessment, your vehicle booking, and your traffic fine management system. Can everyone hear me? Yes. So what we have done as Ms. Nenes, what we have done, we have not done anything not familiar with what we are currently doing manually. So as FleetSync, we have digitized the whole process of your vehicle booking, your vehicle condition assessment, and the traffic fine management. So now the drivers will have a portal whereby they will book their trip authority via a portal, right? And then it will go to the authorities, and then the authorities will approve. And then when the authorities approve, it will go through all the process. So what we have done, we have actually enhanced the manual to the digital. So it's what you know, it's what you do daily. But we try to digitize the whole process when it comes to vehicle booking. But now, what's nice about this one, the drivers will be able to be accountable. Everyone will be able to be accountable of what's happening within the system. So the system, this is how it will go. When it comes to vehicle condition, we have introduced that AVIS assessment. If you see when we're about to take a car, there is an inspection that is done whereby the assessor will go around and take pictures of the vehicle, right, to keep information. Let's say there's a dent in the vehicle, and then the transport officer will take pictures around and then keep that information, and then everything that will be done will be digital, right?